This video shows you how to remove the controller from the HX-X9 range of electric scooters. First of all, remove the battery. And then once the battery is removed, remove the cover of the controller. This is just using a 3mm hex key. And then once the cover is removed, you can see the controller. This is held down by two more 3mm hex screws. Once you've removed the two screws, you can lift the controller out of the scooter. When you get to this stage, we recommend taking a photo of all the connectors so that when you come to put the new controller in, you know what cable goes where and which cables are connected and which cables are not connected to anything. Some of them will just disconnect, others you will first need to unclip the cable ties, and on the blue, green and yellow cables you will need to make a little slit to remove the heat shrink before you can disconnect them. When you put the new controller in, you just repeat the disconnecting process. So put cable ties where cable ties were and put heat shrink where heat shrink was.